Once you're using an area light or any light source, it lights up the whole scene. So what if you want to light a specific item only? This is where light linking comes in. And to do that, put the objects you want to light in a collection. With the light selected, go to Object Properties, go to Shading, Light Linking, add a new link, and drag the collection you want this light to affect. I will do the same with this area light. Select it, add light linking, and drag the object you want to affect. I will add a plane in front of the area light, and to position it exactly there, I will use constraints to copy the rotation and location of the area light. Apply the constraints. Press G, C, Z to move it slightly forward. Now I want to make a gap in the plane so the light passes through it. Lower the spread so the light passes through the gap instead of spreading over a wide area. With the light selected, go to its node setting and click Use Nodes. Add an environment texture node. In the shader editor, open an HDRI. You can download any HDRI that fits your scene. I'm using this one. Press Ctrl T to add the mapping setup so you can control the mapping. You can also control the strength. Toggle Use Nodes on and off to see the HDRI effect.